to extend the lead-in and put the fibre in. We've made a cut in the concrete and we're just installing the wick now. Installed the lead-in pipe, we've cut the concrete, installed the lick for the client. We've hauled in a STS lead-in fibre and we've run the internals. We've just fitted the PCD. We've cleaned the lead-in and the internal lateral fibre cable and connected it into the pass-through connector. So it's all just about all ready to do. All the client needs to do now is get NBN out and connect it. This job is a technology upgrade from HFC. So the customers applied to NBN and paid the upgrade fee, and instead of having HFCs now, got fibre to the premises. All right, thank you. We're just about wrapped up here now. We'll just close it off and see how we go. Okay, so now we've fitted the connector inside and we're just out in the pit, and you can see there we've got a good light coming through there. So continuity should be all great. They're just waiting on NBN to install the fibre into the pit and put a multi-port in, and this will be tapped into the multi-port to give the client his fibre to the premises service on NBN.